While we were camping at 𝗍𝗟𝗏𝗟𝗏 Park in Hurricane, Utah, we visited the Kolob Canyons just 23 miles down the road from us. It is a part of the Zion National Park. I wasn't able to get video that day, but I got some outstanding photos. Check it out. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. The Kolob Canyon section of Zion National Park is located at Exit 40 on Interstate 15, 40 miles north of Zion Canyon and 17 miles south of Cedar City. A 5-mile scenic drive along the Kolob Canyons Road allows visitors to view the Crimson Canyons and gain access to various trails and scenic viewpoints. Here in the northwest corner of the park, narrow parallel box canyons are cut into the western edge of the Colorado Plateau, forming majestic peaks and 2,000-foot cliff walls. Whether you come to view the panoramic landscape from the scenic drive, hike into one of the majestic canyons, or begin a multi-day adventure into the Zion Wilderness, Kolob Canyons has something special for everyone to experience. All guests are required to stop at the Kolob Canyons Visitor Center to show an interagency park pass or pay the Zion National Park entrance fee. The canyons of Kolob are designated as wilderness and are protected for their pristine and primitive environments. Hiking in Kolob Canyons allows explorers the opportunity for solitude and tranquility in a scenic desert setting. The Kolob Canyons truly are a unique area of Zion National Park, with soaring peaks of Navajo sandstone, canyon streams, and cascading falls, and over 20 miles of hiking trails. New experiences and stunning scenery await you around every bend in a majestic land that has retained its primeval character and influence. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.